Hello, and welcome back to Brewing with Cat. My name's Ollie, and this is Claude. Now, a few years ago, Claude and I did a series of short brew guides looking at some popular brew methods. And we were thinking, maybe we could do some kind of other channel to do with coffee. Looking at coffee in 2021 and other brew methods maybe, in detail perhaps. So let's get into it, shall we? Roll the intro. So, the steep shot. I've never used anything like this before. It was actually invented by an IT engineer from Norway. He wanted coffee and he wanted it really quick. So he actually approached Tim Wendelboe with a prototype, which he took to him. Tim liked it. 4 years later, here we are. This is the finished thing. So what it is just, it looks like a bit like a drinking cup. This is a double-walled stainless steel, I assume it's vacuumed cup, and there's some watermarks, some lines on the inside. And then this piece, you have a valve which releases the pressure in the vessel once you've added hot water. And then in here you've got a metal filter which twists out. There's your filter housing, and then this is actually the same size as a standard AeroPress filter. This is 100 microns and there is an optional 60 micron available. You can actually use a standard AeroPress filter if you want a less silty cup. But if you like a coffee with a lot of body, I would say this is your guy. That goes in there like that. Back in there like that. And yeah, and that is it. I guess this would appeal to somebody, take this to work or go camping. I mean, it only brews up to about 250 ml. Now, I'm more of a pour-over guy, and this does make quite a strong coffee, I would say. It has a lot of sediment inside because of the metal filter. But yeah, we should probably give it a brew. What do you think, Claude? Right, I'll be back with some brewing bits. Let me make a quick phone call, hang on.
Hey mate, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. I'm just moving away from
No worries, mate, no worries. Now, listen, I got one of these steep shot things. How many clicks on your grinder? I guess like a bit finer than an AeroPress.
I usually start around like 16 clicks.
All right.
And then just, adapt it to your coffee and see how it tastes, and you can work it out.
All right, brilliant. Nice one. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, mate.
See you
Take care.
soon. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's switch to brew method.
All right, so grab your scale, steep shot, favourite mug. Grind 16 grams of coffee. Then with a freshly boiled kettle, fill this thing up to about 250. That's the upper marker on the inside if you don't have a scale. That's it, all the way up. Lid on, nice and tight. Set your timer for 1 minute. Gave it a shake there. Don't know why I did that. I guess just saturate the grinds and whatnot. Then after a minute, gently and carefully, without burning yourself, fire it off into your mug. And that is it. Easy, innit?
Come on, mate. Oh, so there we have it, the steep shot. What do you think? I'm a pour-over guy, so I quite like more coffee. But if you drink 1 cup at a time, and you like quite a full-bodied cup of coffee, then the steep shot could be for you. So I found the cleanup a little bit messy. It's a little bit like a French press. But, little tip, when you've brewed, all of the coffee is sat up by the filter. So if you give it a little knock on the table, it all falls back down into the container, and then you've got minimal residue back on here. If you want to clean it, you can just literally rinse it out, fill it with boiling water from the kettle again, and just fire it out like that while it's empty. and that's quite an easy way of clearing it out. Apparently everything can go in the dishwasher as well, which is good. Something I will add, when it's under pressure and you want to release it, I often found myself going the wrong way because there's no arrow on here to tell you which way you're really meant to be turning it. Yeah? So I would put a little arrow there saying, but I suppose that could be added on a new rubber top there, maybe. I can't see an arrow. The lovely people at Workshop Coffee are distributing this in the UK and they sent me this to play with. So if you hit them up, this is where you get it in the UK or wherever you buy your coffee wares. So there you go. That was the Steep Shot. Well, I've been meaning to do this for a while. And if you like what you saw and you want me to review anything specifically, leave a comment below. And I guess if you want to see more of Claude, you're going to have to subscribe, aren't you? Do you want to do that, Claude? He loves it, really. Until next time, thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.